guys, this is KXCV again, coming your way with yet another video. It's going to be a Sony Vegas tutorial. This time we're going to look at how to make a video overlay. Let's get started. Let's say you have your video on the timeline like this, and you want to have an overlay, one of them being a little transparent, so the video on the other track can be seen as well. So this being your original video, what you have to do is right click in the video timeline and then select insert video track. Now this create an empty video track above your original video, and notice that video track is labeled 1. The original one you had has been labeled 2. So let's use this here. Let me drag that onto the timeline. Let's find a suitable, like, okay, this will work. Okay, this will work. So get rid of these 2 here and put this behind the video. Now this is what it looks like. It's showing the video on track 1 and it's at 100% opacity, so you cannot see through it. So the original video on video track 2 cannot be seen. So I stretched it out to cover the entire footage I'm using. So all you have to do is point your mouse cursor to the top of the overlay video and left click and drag it down. This way you'll be reducing the opacity of this track, and then it will be revealing the video on the second track. The lower you drag it, the clearer it becomes. That's the lower the opacity. So now if I bring it to 0, all you see is the original video, and as I begin to increase it, if you notice, look over here, you will see the overlay video showing. So somewhere in the middle you can see the overlay video as well as the original video. So I'm gonna play from the beginning and keep dragging, and you'll see the difference. Let me play it, and this is it now, 100% opacity, and then I'm bringing it down slowly, and you see it's changing to 0 and it's all clear. So let's do the playback again. Here we go. So you can set it somewhere in the middle, at about 50-51%, depending on how you want it, and you can see both videos. So that's how you do it. If you have any need for any tutorial in Sony Vegas, drop it in the comment section, and we'll take care of it. Until the next video, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.